Carrots are a staple in gardens everywhere, cherished by gardeners of all skill levels for their versatility and the satisfaction they bring when harvested from your own backyard. Whether you're growing a few rows in a small raised bed or dedicating an entire plot to these vibrant roots, carrots have a way of making any garden feel complete. Their sweet flavor, satisfying crunch, and eye-catching color make them a favorite in kitchens and lunchboxes alike. From classic orange to purple, yellow, and even white varieties, carrots add a splash of color and nutrition to every meal. There's something truly special about pulling a carrot straight from the earth, brushing off the soil, and tasting that sun-warmed freshness. It's a reward that store-bought carrots simply can't match, and it's a moment every gardener looks forward to. Not only are carrots delicious, but they're also packed with essential vitamins like A, K, and C, as well as fiber and antioxidants. Their popularity means they're always in demand at farmers markets, making them a smart crop for both home gardeners and small-scale growers. But growing carrots isn't always easy. Their seeds are tiny, almost like grains of sand, and they take their time to sprout, sometimes waiting 2 or even 3 weeks before showing any sign of life. During this slow start, weeds can quickly take over, stealing precious sunlight and nutrients. Weeds are a constant threat, often outpacing delicate carrot seedlings and making it hard for them to thrive. If left unchecked, these invaders can choke out your crop, leading to thin, weak carrots, or even a failed harvest. Another challenge is soil quality. Carrots need deep, loose, and stone-free soil to grow straight and long. Heavy, compacted or rocky soil can cause roots to split, fork, or become stunted, making them difficult to clean and less appealing to eat. If you've ever pulled up a carrot that looks more like a twisted sculpture than a vegetable, you know how frustrating poor soil can be. Misshapen carrots are a common problem, but with the right preparation, you can avoid these disappointments. Don't be discouraged by these challenges. Every gardener faces setbacks, but with patience and a few proven techniques, anyone can master the art of growing beautiful, tasty carrots, even if you're just starting out. In this guide, we'll walk you through every step, from preparing your soil and choosing the right carrot varieties, to managing weeds efficiently and ensuring your seedlings get the best possible start. You'll learn simple, effective methods to reduce your workload, keep weeds at bay, and boost your harvest, so you can spend more time enjoying your garden and less time battling problems. We'll show you how to create the perfect soil conditions, plant your seeds with care, and nurture your carrots from sprout to harvest, ensuring they grow straight, sweet, and full of flavor. Follow these steps and you'll soon be harvesting baskets of delicious, colorful carrots, enjoying the fruits of your labor all year round, and perhaps inspiring others to take on this rewarding challenge themselves. Success with carrots starts with proper ground preparation. The stale seedbed method is a classic way to tackle weeds. Prepare your bed, water it, and let weeds germinate before removing them. This gives carrots a head start, but delays planting and ties up space. A better approach is the no dig method with a deep compost mulch. By covering soil with weed-free compost, you block weeds from sprouting and build soil health. No dig saves time and effort, and the compost layer is ideal for carrots' deep roots. Just add a fresh layer of compost each year, no digging required. This method keeps weeds at bay and creates the perfect environment for carrots. Healthy soil is the foundation for every great carrot crop. The no-dig method revolutionizes carrot growing by solving weeds and soil structure in one step. Start a new bed by laying cardboard over weeds, then add 6 inches of compost. Sow carrots directly into this compost for a weed-free start. For existing beds, simply top up with 1 to 2 inches of compost annually. Worms and soil life will incorporate the compost for you. Carrots thrive in loose, uncompacted compost, growing long and straight. Avoid overfeeding. Carrots need only a simple compost mulch, not extra fertilizer. Too much nitrogen causes leafy tops and forked roots. If your soil is heavy, loosen it once with a broad fork before starting no dig. After that, annual compost mulching keeps soil perfect for years. With your compost-rich bed ready, it's time to sow. Preparing the soil is the foundation of a successful garden, and enriching it with compost ensures your plants have all the nutrients they need to thrive. Take a moment to break up any large clumps and smooth the surface, creating a welcoming environment for your seeds. Carrot seeds are tiny, almost like grains of sand, so handle them with care. Sow them just 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep, as planting them too deep can make it difficult for the delicate seedlings to break through the soil. If you bury the seeds too deep, they may struggle to reach the surface, resulting in poor germination and weak plants. Always remember, shallow is better than deep for these little seeds. To sow, make a shallow drill or trench in the soil. Sprinkle the seeds evenly along the row, aiming for about 1 seed per inch if you want large carrots. For baby carrots, you can sow them a bit closer together. Take your time. Precision now means less work later. Proper spacing is key. It means less thinning later on, and gives each carrot enough room to grow straight and strong. Crowded seedlings compete for nutrients and light, which can lead to stunted roots. Rows should be spaced 6 to 7 inches apart. This allows for good airflow between the plants, which helps prevent disease and makes it easier to keep weeds at bay. Well-spaced rows also make watering and harvesting much simpler. On a standard 4-foot wide bed, you can comfortably fit 7 rows of carrots. Mark out your rows before you start sowing to keep everything neat and organized. For extra precision, use a seeder tool, which helps distribute seeds evenly and at the right depth. If you don't have one, sow carefully by hand, taking care not to drop too many seeds in one spot. Once the seeds are in place, cover them lightly with soil. Avoid compacting the soil. Gentle is best, as carrot seedlings need loose soil to push through as they sprout. Water thoroughly using a fine rose on your watering can. This gentle spray prevents the seeds from being washed away or disturbed, ensuring they stay right where you place them. Keep the soil consistently moist until the seedlings emerge. Dry soil can cause seeds to fail, so check daily and water as needed, especially during warm or windy weather. Label your rows so you remember what you've planted and where. This helps with future care and makes it easier to track your garden's progress. Practicing good sowing techniques sets the stage for a healthy, productive crop. Take your time and enjoy the process. Gardening is as much about patience as it is about precision. Attention to detail at this stage pays off at harvest, when you'll be rewarded with straight, sweet carrots and a sense of accomplishment that only comes from growing your own food. Choosing the right carrot variety for the season is key. For early sowings, use fast-maturing types like Amsterdam Forcing or Napoli, great for tunnels or fleece in late winter. Main crop varieties like Yaya and Bolero are reliable for summer and storage. Try colorful types like Purple Sun or Yellowstone for variety and extra nutrients. For autumn and winter, select robust varieties like Autumn King that store well and sweeten after frost. Protect early sowings from cold to prevent bolting. Use fleece or tunnels. The right variety at the right time ensures a steady, tasty harvest. To enjoy carrots all season, practice succession planting. Sow a few rows every month from early spring to late summer instead of all at once. Start indoors or in a tunnel in winter for an early harvest, then move outdoors as weather warms. Mix early and main crop varieties to extend your harvest window. July sowings are perfect for winter storage carrots. Regular, smaller sowings spread out the workload and reduce risk from pests or weather. In mild areas, late summer sowings can be mulched and harvested all winter. Careful scheduling turns carrots into a year-round staple. The most critical stage in growing carrots is the period from sowing to germination. During this time, carrot seeds are especially vulnerable, and the key to success is ensuring they never dry out. Carrot seeds are tiny and delicate, and even a brief period of dryness can prevent them from sprouting altogether. This is why careful attention during these first few weeks is so important. To give your seeds the best chance, keep the soil consistently moist for up to 3 weeks. This means watering gently and regularly, making sure the surface never forms a crust or dries out. If the weather is hot or windy, you may need to water more often, sometimes even twice a day. The goal is to maintain a damp, welcoming environment for those tiny seeds. One effective method is to cover the bed with a tarp or plastic sheet after watering. This simple step traps moisture in the soil, preventing evaporation and creating a humid microclimate that speeds up germination. It also protects the seeds from heavy rain, which can wash them away or bury them too deep. The tarp serves multiple purposes. It blocks sunlight, which helps suppress weeds before your carrots emerge, and it gently warms the soil, encouraging faster and more even sprouting. This is especially helpful in cooler climates or early spring plantings. After about 4 days, start checking under the tarp daily. Look for the first signs of green shoots poking through the soil. As soon as you see seedlings, remove the tarp, ideally in the evening when the sun is less intense and the soil is still moist. This transition helps the young plants adjust to their new environment without stress. Be careful not to leave the tarp on too long. If you do, the seedlings may become weak and pale, stretching for light and struggling to thrive. Early exposure to sunlight is crucial for strong, healthy growth. If you notice patchy germination, don't be discouraged or feel you need to start over. Instead, fill any gaps with quick-growing crops like radishes or lettuce. These fast growers will make the most of the space and help shade the soil, keeping it cool and moist for your carrots. Interplanting not only maximizes your harvest by using every inch of space, but it also helps confuse pests, making it harder for them to target your carrots. This natural approach to pest management is both effective and sustainable. Throughout this process, vigilance is key. Monitor your garden daily, checking soil moisture and watching for any signs of trouble. Early intervention can make all the difference in establishing a strong, healthy stand of carrots. Remember, moisture management at this stage is what sets the foundation for your entire crop. Consistent care now will reward you with robust, evenly spaced seedlings. Use these simple but effective tricks to ensure even, healthy emergence. With patience and attention, you'll see a lush row of carrot seedlings all growing strong together. A little extra care and observation during germination pays off later with a bountiful, healthy harvest of carrots you can be proud of. Carrots are generally trouble-free in healthy soil, but carrot root fly is a major pest. The fly's larvae tunnel into roots, ruining crops. Protect your bed with a 2-foot-high mesh barrier. Secure it tightly to keep flies out. Good spacing prevents fungal leaf diseases. Remove affected leaves if needed. Forked or hairy roots signal soil problems, usually stones, compaction, or excess nitrogen. Consistent watering prevents splitting. No dig beds with compost mulch minimize most issues. Healthy soil and smart barriers keep carrots safe. Prevention is easier than cure. Plan ahead for pest and disease control. With these steps, you'll grow perfect, unblemished carrots. Harvest carrots when they're big enough to eat. Baby carrots are ready when finger width. Gently brush soil from the tops to check size, then pull as needed. Carrots store best in the ground. Protect with straw if frost threatens. For markets, harvest, wash, and bunch with tops for fresh appeal. For storage, remove tops immediately to keep roots crisp. Store in damp sand or sawdust in a cool, dark place for months. Main crop varieties last all winter with proper storage. Growing carrots teaches patience, but the reward is unbeatable flavor. There's nothing like pulling a perfect sweet carrot from your own soil.